Hey guys, it's Debbie and I'm back. Of course, I'm working on port painting. So, I am again using all latexes. I'm sorry, liquid tex. Oh boy. And this one, if I do use it, it has a couple drops of black mixed into it to make it just a little deeper. It was yellow ochre. All my paints are mixed with a base, untinted base of Valspar. And let's see, like 4 parts Valspar, 1 part varnish. The varnish is Minwax. The oil base that's converted to use with water, and 1 part fluid acrylics. And the reason why I have chosen to use the varnish I have been using is because it was different and I wanted to try it. So, and it works just fine. Okay, the white and the black, they are just mixed with Floetrol and water. That's it. Oh, wait a minute. Except for the white that I'm going to put down, that I dump the colors onto. The bigger container of white is straight house paint that's mixed with a little bit of water. This white is titanium white Liquitex that is mixed with Floetrol. So I think I got that right now. And pretty soon I'll have it all in the description and I'll just tell you to look there because I have such a hard time repeating. I've been using the same thing. Oh, all of them have, probably hopefully not too much, but they all have a drop or 2 of the silicone oil. Okay. Well, now the hard part's over with. Now the easy part is to begin. The hard part's mixing and trying to tell you what's in them. Now the easy part is dumping them in my cup and trying to turn it into something nice. So, alrighty, I'm going to pull you down. Alright guys, I just did a pour a few minutes ago, so I'm using the same cup. And now here's my titanium white going in, and it's going to go over top a little bit of some of those other colors. I might put a lot on this time. What goes in first usually comes out on top most of the time. So, I don't know, this time I feel like I want a lot of white. I'll probably regret it. And since I haven't used blues in a little bit, I'll throw a little blue in there. Ooh, see that? Clunk, clunk. Not good. So I am going to put a drop. I don't have my spray bottle nearby. I used to like using that. And there it is. Because I felt I had more. I didn't have to worry about too much shooting out. I like that a little bit better. No, it's still a little clunky, but we'll see what's going to happen. Let's put these blues near each other. Oh, that's looking... There's another one. I swear, when I'm not looking, somebody adds flour to them to thicken them up. Still a little thick, but that's okay. I wanted to use this one up anyways. What do I want to use next? I'm just going to put a little bit of this in. Seems like lately I need to cut down on some of the cells seem like they want to pop up. A little extra black this time. Okay. And I'm going to give it, oh, wait a minute. I'm going to take this little bit of this black, put it on the corners, just might help it a little bit. Get to the corner. Who knows? Sometimes it helps. Okay. Now, I'm going to use my white to give it a ride around. This will help me, keeps me, sometimes it can help you from losing some of the stuff you like. To give it a little ride around on, right? I don't like to wait too long. I like to get the party started as quick as possible. Oh. I'm going to cool it on some of the, save a little color maybe for the corners. I don't even know if I should torch this or not. Oh, I love that little blue in there. A lot of things I like about this. Now I like all these little bubbles in here. So I'm not sure if this will help. Sometimes it seems like it does a little bit. Put a little color there. A little something for it to ride on so it doesn't all bend over on itself. But I don't know. Maybe it don't. And I just think it does. But it's always worth a try. Anything you do if you think might help. My favorite, I love that little blue one right there. Hopefully I don't lose it. Yeah. Alrighty. Wish I could play music while I did this. Yeah, unfortunately, YouTube won't let you. Well, if you do, they'll let you, but your video might not be seen by very many people. They have all kinds of ways and things to do to you if you don't perform the way they want you to. Okay. Now, sometimes if there's something near the edge that you really, really want, and you don't want to lose it, like say that blue one was sitting near the edge, or something there I really liked, besides giving it a little thing to ride over on, you could just add some more color there. I've added color on a lot of spaces on mine because, you know, sometimes, like over here, let's do this one. I haven't done much on that side yet. I don't want to lose those little yellow ones. Woo! They're half gone. That's okay. They're stretched out a little bit. I like the way they like cling in there. I'm glad I had a lot of white because, again, I'm just loaded with so many of these cells. going to pour a few off right there. Okay, let's bring them back up. We don't want to lose too many. I don't want them too stretched weird. Okay. Guys, I like this one. Just kind of looking around at the edges, seeing if I still like them. And I do. I like this. Yay! Sometimes it's a fight to get what you want, and sometimes you're on a roll. I'm hoping I'm on a roll for a little while because I've had some pretty bad ones lately. And this little bit of pink is left over from the CuP. There's like a little tiny bit. Look at it. It's all over. It's kind of, I like the little tiny touch of it. Oh, yeah. In fact, I could draw it down just a little bit more. No, let's leave it alone. I'm done. I think I'm done, guys. That was a fun one. Huh. I think I'm going to need more canvas soon. One of these times I'm going to do some big ones, but I'm waiting to get some nice colors, combinations that I'm really in love with to do a bigger one. And most likely I'll have a lot of teal and a lot of blue in it because I like those. And this time, you know, I don't see a whole lot of some of the... Anyways, guys, thank you very much for stopping by. I'll be back at you later. Bye.